Hi, I'm Frederico, also known as Fred, a physicist collaborating with Paul Whitford's group at Northeastern University. And in this video, we're going to talk about how to open structure files with RADtool. So, I have created a folder here called Open Structures. And in this folder, I'm going to open the terminal and open VMD. So, yeah, let's do that. And opening VMD is going to show you that I've already installed RADtool, and as you may see, we are going to use the second option, which is built for situations when you don't know exactly where are the large and small subunits, and the software will do a contact-based criteria to get the information. So let's feed the software with the structure 3j78.cif file, and let's name the output files as task2. So all the outputs task2. So all the outputs are gonna receive these, and then also select the current folder as the output directory. Just be sure that the stamp alignment is on, because 3j78 is a eukaryotic ribosome, so the stamp has to be performed to renumber the residues and match the E. coli numbering. The prune is optional, but yeah, with that you can just hit the analyze structure, and the structure will be loaded, and the script will start the routines to get which chains are the large and small subunits RNAs. Stamp will reorganize the numbering, and depending on your computer capacity, these steps could go from some seconds to a couple of minutes. And in my case, I'm using an old laptop, so yeah, we have to wait for a while. And as I was saying, in this video we are providing a CIF file with the entire structure, but we also can add, if you have a bundle with more than one PDB, for example, add all the PDB files there, and the program will do the same. As you may see, the output files will be written here in the open structure folder. And when the analysis is finalized, the message will prompt in the TK console, and the structure will be displayed alongside the reference structure and other nice features here in the open display. So yeah, let's wait for a while. And as it's ending, in the main menu you can also switch on and off everything. In this case, it's nice to point that we are analyzing the whole ribosome, but you can also analyze separated large and small subunits by selecting these options. So yeah, here is the structure that we are analyzing alongside the reference. All the output files are saved here, and the .alt files are the files where you can get the angles and some features on the analysis on how many residues were used, how many residues were renumbered, and all that stuff. And yeah, I hope you all enjoy RADtool and start to work with it really soon. Bye bye.